Hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you Instagram camera long face problem on iPhone and Android device. Lot of Instagram user has been reported to when the started video make on the reels in Instagram camera long face problem show on iPhone and Android. Instagram users question is what to do for the fixing this issue on iPhone and Android devices. Now first of all, I will open the Instagram applications on my Android phone. Now you can see also bottom to select the Reels option. Now select the camera section at the right hand side corner. Now you can see also when the front camera to make your video, that time you can see also long face problem show on iPhone and Android devices. This problem show on iPhone as well as Android device users. Now what to do for the fixing this issue on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, now first of all find out the Instagram applications and press and hold. Now you can see also last option is uninstall. So guys, please make sure uninstall your applications on your iPhone and Android. Once the uninstall is completed, now open the any browser on your iPhone and Android. Now I will open the Chrome browser. In Chrome browser top corner search bar. In search bar search old Instagram version. When the search this type of the topic, now you can see also Android APK free.com available. This link I give you on my description box. So guys, please make sure copy it and paste on this browser. Once open this website, now open you can see also this type interface show on your iPhone and Android. In this website many versions available of the Instagrams old and also new. This all the Instagram version to find out the 26 December 2022 versions in your iPhone and Android. Once find out that versions, now you can see also close this ad and also now download APK available. Now please make sure tap on that and download and install these applications on your iPhone and Android devices. Once the download is completed, now open the Instagram applications. Now you can see also bottom to select the Reels options and make the Reels on your iPhone and Android. This way too you can easily Instagram camera long face problem fix on your iPhone and Android. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video.